What's up there? I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5. And look, I literally want to give you a 100% free training course where I teach you how I've personally made over $3 million in less than 6 years from free traffic on social media without being a marketer, without cold messaging people sales pitches or doing anything scammy, even while wearing a stupid hat like this. Now, if you do the math over 6 years, that's 365 days in a year, that's 2,190 days. So if you divide $3 million by 2,190 days, that's an average of $1,383 a day. And look, I don't want you to think that I'm actually just making these wild income claims or anything like that. So I'm actually literally just going to log into my Stripe account. I actually have several different Stripe accounts that I actually use. This one so far this month, I've done, $51,000 worth of revenue in, but we're just going to actually check out this one, my personal case study, where I actually record the money that I'm actually making from Facebook. I'm going to refresh the page a couple times just so you can actually see that, hey, you know what? I'll even, I actually just wanted to log out completely from Stripe. Log back in here so that you can see that this is, so I'm just doing this again. I don't want to brag to you or make it seem like I'm bragging. I just want to actually validate these income claims where you can see that these are actually real income claims. So you can see here in the last 7 days, I've done $19,000 in sales revenue. And the last 4 weeks, I've done $77,000 in sales revenue. And the last 3 months, that's $288,000. So far this year, I've done $555,000. That's over $500,000 so far this year. And you can see today's date when I'm making this video is Monday, June the 28th. All right. In the last 12 months, I've done $998,000, almost $1 million in this Stripe account alone in the last 12 months. And you can see here, if I go to all time, $3.12 million. And you can see our first date over here is January 2016, where I actually made $0. February 2016, I actually made $0. I didn't make any money until March 2016. So from March 2016 to June of 2021, I've done $3.12 million from doing exactly what I'm going to teach you for free in this free training course. Now, if you're wondering, well, John, why are you going to teach us all this for free if it's so valuable? To be quite honest, the whole reason that I give you this training for free is to actually provide value up front and to actually help you out along your way, because I'm not an infopreneur. I don't actually make my money by selling information. I build automation software, and I build software that actually helps you automate your organic marketing. And that's the main thing that I sell and offer. So it doesn't hurt me to give you this information for free, because the odds are I give you this information, you learn what to do, you're probably going to buy my software from me and become my customer anyways. So anyways, look, I just wanted to make this really quick and simple and show you that the income claims I'm making here are 100% real. If you're interested in actually getting the free training, just put your name and your email right here and click this button, and you'll get instant access to the 100% free training. Then I'll even give you a great deal on buying all my software, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to.